New tonight, a district court judge has issued a temporary injunction on the governor's fetal heartbeat law. Today's ruling comes just under a week after lawmakers passed the bill during a special session. KCCI's Ophelia Jacobson is live at the Polk County Courthouse, where abortion laws have once again changed here in our state. Ophelia.
Stacey, on Friday, Governor Reynolds signed a law banning abortions after a fetal heartbeat is detected. Just 3 days later, that law is now on hold after a Polk County District judge's ruling. The temporary injunction means that abortion is once again legal in Iowa up to 20 weeks with a 24-hour waiting period.
This was a win for reproductive freedom in the state of Iowa.
It's just disappointing. It's frustrating.
Emotions were high on Monday after a district court temporarily blocked a highly controversial abortion law. Polk County District Judge Joseph Seidlin cited past state Supreme Court rulings on abortion from 2015 and 2018. He said, quote, "The court believes it must follow current Iowa Supreme Court precedent." The director of the Drake Constitutional Law Center says the lower court had to follow the law of the higher court.
He constantly referred to his job as limited to following the precedents of the higher court. If you have a judge who doesn't do that, they're not doing their job. He was doing his job, whether you agree, disagree.
Monday's decision is a deja vu moment for some, including pro-life advocates.
Here we are back again, having to wait for it to go through the court process.
An almost identical fetal heartbeat bill was introduced by the governor in 2018, and it went through similar challenges. But experts say this time could be different.
We have new justices, and that undue burden test is in trouble, in part because the U.S. Supreme Court, in a case called Dobbs, reversed Roe versus Wade and said there's no fundamental right here.
The governor reacted to the temporary block in a statement saying she, quote, "will fight this all the way to the Iowa Supreme Court."
The next stage is kind of what you might call the biggest of all. It might take a while, much longer than this. And so the next stage, I suspect, will be getting to the Iowa Supreme Court.
It's unclear how long the next step in this process will take. Experts say it could take months or maybe even longer. House Democratic Minority Leader Jennifer Confirst says time is key.
We need for this to be taken on much more slowly than the special session was.
In the meantime, organizations like Planned Parenthood say they're excited to get back to work.
While we know that the state may seek an appeal, we are proud to resume services for our patients and provide patient outreach to help break through the state of manufactured chaos that is our new normal.
Now, under the fetal heartbeat law, the state's Board of Medicine was in charge of creating rules for enforcement. And while the judge today said that the law is temporarily put on pause, he advises that the board continue to make those rules of enforcement for healthcare providers. That's in case the law were to be in effect sometime in the future. Live in Des Moines, Ophelia Jacobson, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.